Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Best Buy app order tracking preferences, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer your Best Buy app order tracking preferences, start by opening the Best Buy app on your device. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account section by tapping on your profile icon. In the account menu, scroll down to find the order history option and select it. Locate the order for which you want to transfer tracking preferences. Tap on the specific order to open its detailed view. Look for the tracking preferences option within the order details. Select tracking preferences to view your current settings. If you are transferring preferences, note the existing notification settings. Exit the order details and return to the account menu. Now, go to the settings section within the app. Find the notifications or order tracking settings. In this section, you can modify your tracking notifications. Update your preferences to suit your needs. Once you have adjusted the settings, make sure to save your changes. You may also want to check your email preferences under the account settings. Ensure that your preferred communication method is selected, whether it's via app notifications or email. Revisit your order history to confirm that the updated preferences reflect on your chosen order. Test the tracking notifications by placing a new order. Keep an eye on your notifications to ensure they are coming through as per your updated settings. If you experience any issues, consider logging out and back in to refresh your account preferences. Your order tracking preferences should now be successfully transferred. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.